Hey, what's up guys, I'm KV Kwan. Welcome back to my channel Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make a cold tofu dish. You know, usually we will steam or braise or stir fry the tofu, but today I'm going to serve the tofu right out from the refrigerator. And of course, if you are concerned with the health issue, you can always steam the tofu first before serving. It is a simple dish. What I'm going to do is to put the tofu onto the serving plate and then dress with the mixture of oyster sauce and light soy sauce. And most importantly, top with the crispy shallots and the shallot oil. This is a basic Cantonese recipe that we always love. So let me show you how to prepare it. I usually use silky soft tofu with a creamy consistency for the best texture, which is perfect for a cold dish. This is the silken tofu. You can use regular tofu, which is easier to manage but will not deliver the silky tofu velveting fillings and the soft texture. The challenge is how to remove the silken tofu from the box without breaking it. That's how to do it. Put the tofu upside down and then use a sharp knife or scissor to cut away the four corners. Then use a sharp knife or your scissors to run it in between the tofu and the base of the box. Then peel off the plastic sheets. And loosen the tofu from the box. Then turn it over. The tofu will slip out from the box easily. Yes. Since the crispy shallots and the resulting shallot oil are the most important ingredients in this tofu recipe, I would strongly suggest you make it your own. Because if you use the store-bought shallots, you'll get the crispy shallots but without the oil. I have a separate videos on how to prepare the crispy shallots, but I'm going to do it again anyway to show you how to do it. Use a sharp knife, cut the shallots crosswise into thin rings. And then loosen the rings to ensure there will be a maximum surface contact with the oil during frying. And in this recipe, I also need some spring onion and some red chili for deco. Traditionally, I do not use red chili rings, but I think adding some red chili rings can improve the presentation. Heat some oil in a pan to medium heat. And then place the shallot into it and ensure that there's enough oil to submerge all the shallots. Keep it at medium to slow heat to let the shallot sizzle slowly until it becomes crispy. Do this slowly. Low and slow is the key. We want to get crispy shallots and we try not to burn it. Once it is ready, it turns golden brown. Remove it and let it pass through a wire mesh strainer. Now you get a crispy shallot and the resulting shallot oil. Place the crispy shallot on a piece of kitchen towel to let it cool. Now make a simple sauce for the tofu by combining some light soy sauce and some oyster sauce. Drizzle the sauce on top of the tofu. The shallot oil that we have made. The crispy shallots. Place it on top. Some spring onions. And a few red chili rings to garnish. That's how to make a very simple cold tofu recipe, Cantonese style, by using silken tofu, crispy shallot, crispy oil, and some soy sauce and oyster sauce. I would suggest you make a larger batch of crispy shallots and shallot oil, as they are also good for other dishes. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and you can make a bigger batch as the main dish or just make one as appetizer. I've left the recipe in the description below the video, and don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.